In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Outlook email template for both browser and desktop apps. Setting up email templates can save you a lot of time by allowing you to reuse content for messages you frequently send. It's a helpful tool for those who consistently share similar information with multiple recipients. So let's dive into the process of creating a template. First, let's navigate to Microsoft Outlook. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the Outlook website. Once the page loads, you'll notice a sign in button at the top right corner of your screen. Click on this button to proceed to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your email address and password to access your Outlook account. Once you've signed in successfully, you'll find yourself in your Outlook inbox. Now, let's begin creating a new template. Look to the left side of your screen and find the New Mail option. Click on it and a new email message window will open up. This is where you start the process of setting up your email template. Over on the right hand side of this new email window, you will see an icon for apps. Click on this icon, it will reveal several options. Among these options, you will find My Templates. Go ahead and click on My Templates. This is where all your pre-built templates live and where you'll create a new one. Once in the My Templates section, you'll need to add a new template. You should see an option to Add Template. Click on this to begin the actual creation of your email template. Now, you'll want to give your template a unique name, something that helps you remember its purpose. After naming it, it's time to compose the body of the template. This is where you enter the text, images, or formatting you wish to reuse. Once you're satisfied with what you've drafted, the next step is to save your work. Look towards the bottom of the section and you should see a Save button. Click on that and your template will be saved in the My Templates area. It will now be ready for you to use whenever you need it. A great feature to note is that once you've created a template in your browser, it will automatically appear in the desktop app too, ensuring all your templates are synchronized across platforms. And there you have it. Creating an email template in Outlook is straightforward and time efficient. Whether you're a frequent email sender or looking to streamline your communication efforts, templates are the way to go. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.